have another popular egg muffin recipe. This is perfect for meal prep for my pre-diabetics, diabetics, and those looking for weight loss. Join me now. The 3 simple ingredients that can be found at your local supermarket, Kroger, are our eggs, mushrooms, and cheese. Go ahead and grab that strainer and we're going to wash those mushrooms. Now I do want you to plat or blot them dry and go ahead and give them a chop. And friends, remember, I do not want you to stress out about things being chopped evenly. And I see so many things, and I think we're swinging back to the, let's cook normal. We don't have to be so super fancy pans. Chop it as you wish. If some parts are uneven, this is absolutely okay. The big more topics to talk about is why we love mushrooms. A cup of mushrooms is only 15 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and are a great source of selenium. Now, y'all know the other thing I don't like to do is dirty dishes. We don't need 700 bowls to cook. We're actually going to mix this in our measuring cup. I hate dishes. I hate dirty bowls. This is the smartest way to do this. And we're going to crack our 4 eggs in there. And this is also a great way to look to see if any shall appear. Now, by now, we love the egg in this kitchen, but if you're new here, and hey, if you're new, I'm Shelly, I'm a dietitian. During the day, I work with clients to help with weight loss, to balance our hormone levels, lower blood sugar levels. And at night, I have a pretty busy life. I'm a mom of 2, which is a 24-hour job, but I try to make really simple, easy recipes that the entire family would love. So if that's of interest to you, go on and join me, subscribe. We're gonna add everything in this measuring cup. Go ahead and put the cheese in there, stir it in, and then you're going to pour it in your muffin tin. Now, I've said this once, I've said it again. I am so on the fence about getting the silicone muffin cups. If you have them, let me know. I am using nonstick cooking spray. Some people will blot olive oil in there. I do not have time for that. For the naysayers who hate nonstick cooking spray, that is an option for you. So, do what works for you. I never want to rain on anybody's parade. I ask that people don't rain on mine. So just use a nonstick cooking spray, throw it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, egg muffins are perfect for our meal prep. You see that we took them out the oven. Obviously, they're cool now, and you could use your spatula or butter knife to remove them. I would store them by 2 in our Ziploc bags. And remember, this is a source of protein. So we need our fiber to go with it. So you can add a cup of your berries. You could add, a slice of your sola bread, which is one of my favorite breads to this. You could also put the eggs on a Mission carb wrap. Just be mindful that we do need to add that fiber. And I personally would add another protein, maybe a Danon 2 Good yogurt, but this is the base of a perfect pre-diabetes meal prep for weight loss.